When you build your first PC, you may ask yourself many questions. What component should I buy for my PC? Should I go for an Intel-based system or an AMD-based? How much money will be required for a 1080p gaming PC or for a 4K editing PC? What about the warranty? And what if my system stops working after the first week? What should I do then? Well, you don't need to worry because we at Voltage PC have got every one of these problems solved, because we give you complete explanation of each and every component installed in your machine, and apart from that you get best quality components and prices available in the market. Plus, our technicians have got years of PC build experience under their belt, so they make sure each and every system is delivered in perfect shape before you get your hands on it. Not only that, we also provide you 1 year system integrator warranty, 3 years of RMA assistance and 7 years of technical support, which makes sure that your system keeps serving you even after years of buying it. Yaqeen nahi ho raha? We have got an average review of 4.9 out of 5 on Google as well as Facebook, which is by our previous clients who love us. Now that all of your problems are solved, let's talk more about us. Like, what do we actually do? When it comes to PC, everything from simplistic to high-end PC builds. Whatever you need is, whether it's gaming, editing, graphic designing, trading or workstation, you name it, we build it. Even if you want a little extra and want some crazy theme modding of your favorite superhero or anime character, we can do that too. Check these out. From hardline liquid cooling to custom modding, we have got expertise in everything. You're still here? What are you doing? Go to our website www.voltagepc.in and build your dream PC now.